Montgomery. They must have gotten the freight contract. That's weird. Whoa. That motor. Seems fucking massive. Second level. Whoa. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Holy shit. What the fuck? Okay, let's go down to the tooth floor. Yo, this thing's low on oil. Oh shit, we're doing that again. That is so fucking fucked. There's the COP. Looks like that one down. Yo, this thing's bad. Oh, jeez. Hey, there's a Cardinal. Ooh. Hello, Mr. Cardinal. I'll pet him. Good boy. 6,000 pounds capacity. Here's some clothing. If we get stuck, we can play dressing room. There's that non-stop button again. What the hell is that? Okay, we are totally doing this shit again. Oh, this thing is low on oil. This is my second elevator to date that I came across that's low on oil. Oh, this thing's way worse than that hydrofit though. Holy shit. Oh Jesus, here it comes. Whew. All right, let's head down to 1. God damn. All right, let's get a look at the cab. It's big. A big Monty. There's up the shaft. And there's your COP again. What's that buzzing? That's annoying. F1. Is there an F2? There's... Oh, not low. Oh, whoa, there's an indicator that shows it's low on oil. That's weird. Never seen that. Low oil. That's pretty cool. Obviously that thing's not working because it's definitely low on oil. Good old Monty. Please shut the door. Alright, that's all. You know what? If I get busted, I want to catch it on camera. Ooh, employee area. Ooh. Wow. Employees. Employees.